Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, hi, welcome. In today's video, we're doing an army green and black smoky eye. So I hope you like it and let's just jump right into it. So I'm just going to start off with priming my face and making sure my hair is out of the way. And I'm going to start with my LA Colors lip oil. I'm going to prime my eyelids with my trusty soft ochre paint pot. I'm using this one all over my eyes and I'm not setting it this time. But I'm going in with the new E.L.F little eyeshadows, and this one is the hot jalapeno eyeshadow, and I'm going to start off with the army green shadow. And after that I used the Norvina palette, as you can see, the purple one, and I used the black shade in the palette. I'm really just taking my time with blending and using not too much of the black at once. So I'm really building up the color and then I'm blending it out and building it back up. Then I thought I was missing something, so I used the darkest shade of green in the E.L.F palette and I smudged it in between the army green and the black. And now to prime my face, I'm going to use the Berry M Skin Blurring Beauty Elixir, and I'm just going to blend that in with my brush. The next primer that I used is the E.L.F poreless putty primer, I believe it's called, and I'm using this in the areas where I have more visible pores, which is the sides of my nose and in between my brows or on my forehead. The foundation that I use today is the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced, and I am in the shade Natural Beige, and I'm blending this in with my brush. The concealer that I'm using is from Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. To set all the places that I used my concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder, and of course I'm going to set from my outer corner towards my inner corner, so that the least amount of product is right underneath my eyes, because it's very delicate skin, so I don't want as much product underneath my eyes. And I'm also setting the rest of my face with the exact same powder, only using a more fluffy and big brush. Now to tightline my upper lash line and my waterline, I use this Clousse kohl eyeliner. It's just in the shade black. It's very black, and once it's set, it just doesn't move. This is one of the best black eyeliners that I've used in a very long time. And then with a tiny smudging brush, I'm going to first smudge out the black liner, And after that, I'm using the darkest green shade and then buff that out with the army green shade. For my inner corners, I thought it would be cool to use this yellow shade from the palette, but it didn't pop as much as I wanted. For my bronzer today, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Saddle. When I'm doing a heavy eye makeup look like this, I like to have my base more, or to give my base more of a structured feeling. So I hope I achieved it with this. My lashes are also from GGB Beauty, and I believe these are the Blossom lashes or the Memory lashes. I will check that for you and leave in the down bar. For my highlighter today, I used one of my all-time favorite highlighters, which is from Ofra, and this one is in the shade Rodeo Drive. And as usual, I will highlight all of the highest points of my face. And for blush is also a favorite of mine. This one is from Essence. This is the Satin Touch blush in the shade Satin Love. The lip liner of today is from MAC in the shade Strip Down. And the lipstick that I will be using is also from MAC in the shade Yash. I totally forgot to use some mascara, so this is the Lash Princess mascara, also from Essence. And that is the final result, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.